You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone.
I often notice on the days when the moon is in Taurus that I want to move slow, that I want to sleep in and be a little bit lazy. And that was also true for this day when I was filming the Taurus moon vlog. And sometimes that's what we need when the moon is in Taurus. To move steadily and to pay attention to our body. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope it gives you some ideas for what you could do on the days when the moon is in Taurus. Or if you have a natal Taurus moon, some activities that could help make you feel grounded and emotionally safe.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time.
One of the things that I recommend to everybody when the moon is in Taurus, on the days that the moon is in Taurus, is to focus on your senses, to really make sure your house smells good, to really make sure you eat food that tastes good, to make sure you're listening to good music. Just all of these sensual things that bring you into the here and now, they're all super amazing things to do in order to feel a little bit more emotionally satisfied, a little bit more emotionally fulfilled on the day when the moon is in Taurus, or if you have a natal Taurus moon. So if your moon in your birth chart is in Taurus, this would be a thing that you want to make sure you do actually all the time, because you derive so much emotional satisfaction from those things, from your house smelling good, from you maybe wearing materials that are really nice to the touch and nice on your skin, listening to good music, which is what I was doing as I started recording, having like some nice music in the background. I highly recommend. And yeah, I'm gonna put some music on. I have some Palo Santo that I'm just gonna light and walk around my apartment and just bring a little bit of that nice Palo Santo smell into my apartment. I think that's gonna feel so yummy today because the moon is in Taurus. And honestly, for music, like YouTube has some bomb playlists. I just Google something random like cafe, or now I'm doing like a November dreamy morning playlist. There's so many nice things online.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm holding on forevermore. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go.
Okay, so next, I really need to clean up and get myself ready for some work actually. So one of the things that I always do when I look at where the moon is transiting this day, what sign is it in, so that I can live according to the moon energies, or the moon, the zodiac archetype that the moon is in. I always look at the house that the moon is transiting for me as well. So what this means is, because I am a Leo rising, this means that the moon, today, the moon is in Taurus, and the moon is transiting through my 10th house. So what that means is that I try to do 10 house activities during this day because it usually means that I'm going to also feel more emotionally fulfilled, emotionally satisfied when I do activities of that house. And for me, this is the 10th house, as I said. So that means that working on my career, doing things that shape others' image of me, shape the outside world's image of me, developing a more aligned way of presenting myself to the rest of the world through my career is something that should make me feel really good when the moon is transiting in my 10th house. So, all of that being said, what I want to do today is actually record the upcoming new moon meditation videos so that I can post that on this channel. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and first I need to prepare the script, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and record the meditation. And then afterwards I still need to go into my editing software, put together the music with the meditation, and then just put like the pretty image on top. So honestly, I think I'm going to do that for the next 1 or 2 hours. That's usually how long the meditations take me. And then, yeah. And then let's see, let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Because by now, it's the afternoon is like 3:30. And I can imagine, as I said earlier, I can imagine that I want to take a lazy evening. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's focus on work first, and then we'll do the rest.
You got me shaking, yeah, I feel the fever coming on. Boy, you know you're all I want. Keep saying that I hate it, but it's kind of fun. Watching me come undone. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Let's spend the weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow.
I did it.
This kind of
I finished the meditation. It's recorded, it's edited, it's uploaded, it's scheduled to be posted. So that's amazing. Honestly, it's really interesting having the sign of Taurus in my 10th house. It's almost as if there's this energy of me focusing on my career in a very peaceful way, focusing on it in a calm, gentle, slow way, in a way that maybe I do it by having my senses fully engaged. So maybe while I work, I have nice music playing or a nice smelling candle going. But I think the most important thing is that I need a peaceful, slow, stable career. Because then I think, yeah, then I'm living more in line with my birth chart. And then I think that is a really, I think that's when we start to feel like we are living the right way, you know, like we feel like things are okay, and we're not maybe constantly questioning things, or at least I hope so. I haven't figured it out at all, by the way, so this is more of like, I think this should happen, but I wouldn't know because I wouldn't say my career is very peaceful at the moment. Cool. So it's almost 5 here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna wind down for the evening. Honestly, even me recording this vlog when the moon is in Taurus is a lot. Um, I have tried to record the Taurus vlog before, I think once or twice, and then I woke up the day of the Taurus moon and I was like, nope, today is a lazy day. Today is a day when I nap and take care of my body. So honestly, you might just find it more difficult to get yourself moving when the moon is in Taurus. Get yourself, checking things off the to-do list. And you might really just feel more like slow movements, walks, doing yoga, eating. You might feel like partaking in like certain luxuries, like fancy food. All of that is like the energy that the Taurus moon might bring. So already the fact that I've recorded an entire video today feels a bit unsettling to do on a Taurus moon. But then again, I don't think many of you would watch a vlog where all I do is just like sit around. That wouldn't be very interesting. So all of that being said, I'm just gonna wind down, make some dinner for myself. My boyfriend is coming over in a couple of hours. I think maybe 3 hours. He should be here. And then honestly, just chill for the night, maybe make some hot cocoa, watch a movie, and honestly go to bed early, because what else are you going to do on a Taurus moon besides sleep and lie around? It sounds perfectly aligned to me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for joining me, and check out this playlist in case you want to check out the other moon vlogs that I've done, if you're curious about what other activities you can do when the moon is in the other signs. And let me know down in the comments what your favorite activities are when the moon is in Taurus. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith.